Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing Bluestreak Crystals. I was super excited to get this box in. I've been waiting for it since Thursday. Today is now Monday, August 31st. And they had a little bit of an address mix up only because they couldn't find my house, but I had the correct address. But anyways, they're here today. Yeah, don't ever open your box with your knife towards you, cut away from you. I work in a warehouse, so I should know this, but I was just didn't even care, so I was just like open, open, open. So anyways, this is the first item that I picked up, and they are hearts. They are not flatbacks, which is fine. It's okay with me. I have never really used the non-flatbacks, but we're gonna use them soon and see how that goes. But yeah, so I got some raindrops. I also got the I don't know what those ones are called. I want to say rhombus, but I'm not sure. These are the just little square ones. Those are flatbacks, super cute. Some of them are bigger than I expected. These are beautiful. They look like a disco ball, and they only came in a pack of 4, so I'm gonna have to get more of those. This I bought for a client because she is a Steelers fan. Her color is black and yellow, so we're gonna try those on her. And it also comes with a little container to keep your stuff in, your Swarovskis. This place is Bluestreak Crystals, and I purchased a really big diamond set from them with over 17,000 Swarovski crystals. These are what I'm wearing on my nails now. I love to go full bling. I'm very dramatic. I love the sparkle and I love the shine, and you can never go wrong with Bluestreak Crystals. They're certified and they are based in London, I believe. So, and the shipping was super fast, even though I had to wait an extra 4 days only because the address mix up, but they were here like in a week and a half, so I thought that was pretty cool. So this is a random box that I purchased. It came with over 500 diamonds, I believe, and it's just randoms. You don't know what you're gonna get. A lot of what I did get was a lot of colors, which I don't have, which is pretty cool because sometimes girls want, the colorful look. So this was super exciting for me to get. They had some pretty pinks in there. Like, I cannot tell you how pretty they are, and camera gives it no justice, like seriously. But I cannot wait to use these. Super excited. Super cute. I did use a discount code DJN5, and the way I found that code, I just googled Bluestreak Crystals discount codes, and that's how I got that one. So I guess every day or every so often they change it, so if you try it, it can work if you purchase from them. I think this whole set that I got was about $114.41. It wasn't that bad, but I got a lot of stuff, I would say. These, I wasn't too sure. It kind of looked like they went into like jewelry, but I'm not sure because these were super cute. Look. Yeah, so that's basically all that it came with. So the box, yes, is just randoms. The couple ones that I pulled out in the beginning were some that I purchased, so these are them. And I hope you enjoyed this video for the unboxing of my Bluestreak Swarovski crystals, and you should check them out. Thank you for watching.